Tingin na dito. Alright. The clam and the snipe. What do you think is a snipe? What do you think is a snipe? Is this a snipe? Is this a snipe? Yun, ito. It's a kind of bird. Alright? Wala yung friends mo, JD. Okay, listen to me now. Okay. It was a nice morning on the seashore. The morning sunlight was gentle and the wind was soft. At the edge of the water, the clam opened its shell for him to feel the warmth of the sun and to catch some air. Ikaw, JD, do you need sunlight? Kailangan mo ba ng sunlight? Kailangan mo ba ng air? Kailangan. Alright, so, just like the shell or the clam, nag-open siya, right? To catch some air. Alright, next. In a while, a snipe, this is a snipe, it's a kind of a bird, landed on the shore and looked for food. So the snipe walked and walked and walked and searched for something to eat. The snipe passed by the clam. Without warning, the snipe pecked at the clam. But the clam acted very fast. Before the snipe could withdraw his beak, the clam quickly shut down its shell. And the snipe's beak got caught in the clam shell. What do you think happened? Oh. Anong nangyari?
Kinagat siya ng clam.
Kinagat ng clam. Bakit kaya kinagat ng clam? Tukain, di ba? Naghahanap ng pagkain. Tulad ni Kuya Carl. Yummy, Kuya Carl? Alright. The clam's hold on the snipe's beak was very tight. Ibig sabihin, the snipe is trying to remove his beak, pero the clam's hold on the snipe's beak was very tight. Ibig sabihin, mahigpit. Mahigpit yung pagkakagat mo. Clam. The snipe tried every means, but he failed in freeing his beak from the clam's shell. So, he did everything. Ginawa niya yung lahat. Kaso, ang hirap alisin yung clam. The clam and the snipe started to quarrel. Yes, nagagalit yung clam. If it does not rain within 2 days, you will never have a taste of water. Sabi niya, surely you will die. The snipe warned the clam. Don't think you will live the... Yes, hindi pa. Yung beak, right? Tapos nag-aaway na sila, right? Don't think you will live at all if I do not let you go off within 2 days, the clam said. See? Nagsasabihan sila kung sino yung unang magugutom. Kasi the clam needs water and the snipe needs food, diba? If the clam didn't open its shell, ano mangyayari sa bird? Pag nagutom, pag hindi nag-open yung clam, ano mangyayari sa bird? Mamamatay, bakit?
Hindi pa siya kumakain.
Hindi pa siya kumakain, right? Diba? Kaya nga, diba, the snipe is looking for food, right? Sa beach, sa seashore. Okay. Paano naman, pag hindi nagbukas yung shell, anong mangyayari dun sa clam? Pag hindi siya nagbukas. Bakit mamamatay yung shell?
Kailangan niya ng tubig.
Kailangan niya ng tubig para makahinga. Very good. Alright.
Hinuli siya ng lalaki.
While the clam and the snipe continued struggling with each other, they did not notice a fisherman silently coming towards them. The fisherman then threw his net and caught both of the clam and the snipe. Alright. The end. May tanong ako. Anong nangyayari sa kanilang dalawa? Sa snipe at sa clam?
Hinuli na.
Hinuli na. Pero dito, anong nangyayari? Nag-aaway. Do you think tama ba yung nag-aaway? Bakit? Bakit
Kasi
hindi?
masama mag-away.
Masama mag-away. Ano pa? Kuya Carl, bakit masama mag-away?
Dapat nagbati na.
Dapat magbate. Eh, Kuya Carl! Okay, dapat laging magbabate. Kasi walang magagawang maganda pag lagi kayo nag-aaway. Kayo ba pag nag-aaway? Pag hindi kayo tumigil sa pag-aaway, anong sinasabi ni Mama?
Pagalitan kami.
Pag-aaway. Oo, tama, di ba? So, pag tumigil kayo mag-aaway, papaluin pa ba kayo o hindi? Hindi na. So, dapat laging hindi na
Mag-away.
mag-aaway. Okay, the end.